similar in the like.
Is everything?
You the like. You have nothing it. Am I inside? Do I come inside?
You're sitting here, it accepts you, push yourself. From
But it's showing clear, Abby.
Yeah, it's very good.
See you waiting.
Should I arrange
Hey, eh?
Should I arrange like
Is it okay? Okay, arranging the way that I'll be coming inside, and also the chat, but more the chat will be coming inside more.
yes. You didn't send me.
Eh?
What is it? But you didn't send me.
What is it?
You didn't send me.
Yeah, I was saying, is it okay now? It's capture me.
Yes. Just the so I'll show you.
Okay, yeah. All right, guys. So welcome back. We are going to analyze Solana right now. I send you the link. We are going to analyze Solana. We are going to analyze XRP. We want to compare the both of them and see which one is the best coin to invest in, right? Because sometimes it's not how big the coin is. You need to also consider other things, right? You need to also consider other things, right? And that the bulb is showing directly on the screen. I hope you guys can watch. You guys can, see what is happening there. Yeah. I'm still seeing everything here, guys. So, welcome. Like I said, and mm, let me off this the music, right? So, firstly, my HDMI cable was giving me issue, right? So that's the reason why you see I just had to twist it and to make it like that, right? So what are we going to do here? I'm going to be analyzing Dogecoin and Solana because according to my analysis yesterday, I discovered that investing in Dogecoin is more wiser, like is more you know profitable. It's going to be profitable in the bull run compared to investing in Solana. So how do I come up with this? I bought one Solana. I just took money and I bought one Solana. Like, let me just get into one Solana and keep. As by yesterday, one Solana value at $180, $180, and I just calculate. I do deep analysis, and after doing deep analysis, I discover something. I discovered that if I should take that one Solana money for one Solana and put into Dogecoin, I'm going to come up with if Dogecoin move, I'm going to make profit of over $700 based on my analysis about if I sorry this live session on the is on hold on, let me confirm if this live session is ongoing, right? Okay, it's ongoing. Let me just share the live so that other people will also benefit from this. I'm supposed to all right, so let me share it.
Very good. Post
Huh?
like the link come to post this people can join.
Yes.
And on the link.
I've sent it to you now.
Right.
I'll send it to you on WhatsApp. All right, so this live session is on. Hold on, guys, I'm coming. I'm using BitGet to do live, right? So, hi, jam, guys, right? So, I'm doing live session on BitGet, right? So, if you don't know, you need to know today. BitGet have a platform. I mean, BitGet have live session where you can go live there, right? So let's go deep into analyzing Solana, and let's go deep into analyzing Solana. Here, Bitcoin is going to drop. Please don't panic. Don't even let anybody tell you otherwise. Solana is going to drop, right? I mean, Bitcoin is still going to drop. If you check my analysis, if you go on Twitter, you're going to see my analysis. Everything is there, right? So let's go into Solana. First thing we are going to analyze Solana, and both of these we are going to choose trading view, right? So let's analyze Solana. Solana from here, Solana is going to move. From here, Solana is going to move to 280 something dollars. That's where Solana is going to move to. 280 something dollars. That's where Solana is going to move to, right? In case you don't know. Alright, so let's go on higher time frame. Let's go on higher time frame. That is a day time frame. We are going to analyze Solana on a day time frame, right? We are comparing Solana and Dogecoin. Yes, we are comparing Solana versus Dogecoin. We want to compare the two of them together. Oh, yeah. Then from there, we know which coin is good to invest in. If you have anything to say about this analysis that I'm about to do here, feel free to say something. Now, firstly, we are going to check the all-time high of Solana. What was the all-time high of Solana? Now, if you check here, the all-time high of Solana was 285 or $285, creating an imbalance. What do I mean by Solana create imbalance? An imbalance candlestick is a candlestick that, some people call it a rejection. It's a wick. It go and create. Let me view it so that you will know it. You know what I'm talking about. You see what I'm talking about. This is it. You see this. You see this here. You see this wick candlestick. That is an imbalance. That is a wick candlestick. Sometimes we call it what they call. Sometimes we call it wick candlestick. Sometimes we call it rejection, right? But there are some places whereby if this wick candlestick creates, we classify it as imbalance. Now the imbalance is this market is going to go back and fill up that space, right? That is the imbalance, right? So here, Solana, the all-time high of Solana was $285, creating and leaving an imbalance, which means that Solana may pull back. The market is telling us here that Solana may drop down, pull back, go back, but what is going to happen? The market will come back and balance it up. So if the market is coming here, if Solana come back here to balance it up, what is going to happen? Another new all-time high is going to create, right? So that is what Solana is actually telling you here. And as you can see here, everything from here cool. This place from here, like this is a reversal pattern. It formed like double top. If you know what double top is a reversal pattern whereby the market will whereby sorry whereby the market will reject, right, from the downtrend that is going to go back to the uptrend. And you know, double bottom or double top is one of the one of the biggest reversal pattern for me. Whenever it creates, I don't miss it. That's the reason why I know that Dogecoin is going to do well, right? That's the reason why I know that Dogecoin is going to do well. So if Solana come back here, see what is going to happen. See what is going to happen on Solana. The all-time high was $295, surpassing the former all-time high of $260. And then if Solana go back here, it's going to surpass this and this together. So I'm predicting Solana to move to $500 in the next move, right? So let's do small analysis on this. And guys, you need to understand that whenever you want to do deep analysis and get what's happening in the market, right, you need to analyze your market on line chart. Don't analyze your market on candlestick chart. Do you get what I'm saying? So from here, I'm going to change this to line chart. And then I'll start drawing, then I'll start figuring out my key levels, right? Now, my strategy is key level, right? I figure out key levels, right? Now, let me show you the key level that I'm talking about. Let's go to BTC. Let's go to BTC. So I'll show you guys what I mean by key level. I don't want to, start talking much here about key level. Now, if you see this here, look at this on Bitcoin here. This is what the markets have analyzed yesterday. Let's go back to candlestick charts. Now, if you see these places here, where the places where I draw ball, I drop something like ball, this place is at key level. No matter what is happening in this crypto space, the market must come back and respect them. Yeah, the market must come back and respect them. We call it key level. So I trade key level. Now, is that same key level that make me get into Doge? Let me show you guys Doge, and that's the reason why I'm so much I have so much confidence in Doge, that Doge is going to do well, and that's why I'm buying more Doge. Currently, this night, still before this analysis, before this live stream, I bought Doge again. I'm storing more Doge. Right? So let me show you. Can you hear me? Can you hear my voice?
I didn't, like, after I shared it, I was listening to you, meaning to YouTube.
Okay, place the voice if the voice is coming here on YouTube. Here on YouTube. Here on. How to load this? Okay, it's coming out. Yeah, I can load it. I think the view is okay. Bring it, let me see. Okay, it's coming out. Yeah, I think the view is okay. Okay. Alright, so hold on.
I can take it over. No,
Let me share this live so that other people will watch. Guys, please hold on. I'm coming back. All right, so let's check Doge. Let's check on Doge. I want to show you guys the key level, what even make me to get into Doge. All right, so these are the things. Look at it. this is the same pattern that I was talking about. If you look at this from like a W pattern, right? This is a double top. This is a double top here. I mean double bottom. Double bottom. This is what I was talking about. So Dogecoin break out of this and is coming back. It has come back and retraced from the neck, and then from here it's going to be boom, boom, guys, boom, guys. So if you, let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys something. Currently, if you're watching this video, take $100 to buy Dogecoin. Let me show you guys how much you are going to make at least. This is a very sharp update, right? So let's say you use $100 now to buy a Dogecoin and 0.235, you're gonna be having 425 Doge, and Doge is going to move at least 4.63. So you times this times 0.463. That means you're gonna be making profit of $197. You're gonna almost X your money. From here, this is where Dogecoin is going to move from here. So, should this be, a financial advice? Should this be a financial advice? Let me check my people on BitGet if they are sending me message, guys. Guys, you guys need to join. You guys need to watch, and you guys need to drop me a message. All right, you need to drop me a message. You need to drop me a message, right? Yeah. Okay. It's okay. It's fine. Oh. All right. So let's go back. Oh, hold on. So this is how much you're gonna be making on Dogecoin if you make such amount of money. You get what I'm saying? If you get like, okay, so from here, let's go back to our Solana. We're analyzing Solana. We're analyzing Solana here. We're going to choose trading view. So from here, Solana is going to come back and recover this, come back and cover this, which is $240 something. So from here, from where Solana is now, if Solana move back, Solana is coming to 250 something dollars. Now let's just calculate now. Remember, I just calculate Dogecoin. If you carry Dogecoin out and buy Solana, you are going to be making profit of $97, almost your $100. Now let's calculate in Solana. If you take $100 now and buy Solana, $100 divided by 186, you'll be having 0.53 Solana, then times 252. So you will only be making profit of $35. Guys, so you see the analysis is not even deep, but you see the differences. So Doge have a very high percentage, in a good position, like have high percentage in a good position of making you more profit. Now the same thing, what we want to analyze this in deep from here is Solana surpass this, because this is the all-time high of Solana. Now if Solana is going to come back here, let me tell you something. The all-time high of Solana is $295. But if Solana is coming back here, the first take profit of Solana and where Solana is going to pull back is not at the $295. It's going to be down $252. $2. If anything makes Solana surpass here, then that means Solana is going to create a new all-time high. Now let's go. Let's calculate this online chart. If you come online chart here, you are going to see where the candlestick are draw here exactly. Remember, I did not draw this candlestick when I put this thing online chart. Do you understand? Now let's go back to candlestick chart again. You see that the candlestick is above that. Now we don't really consider that. Right? So, but if Solana is coming back here, then that means that is the imbalance that I was talking about. It's got to, it's going to cover that and move back. And if anything makes Solana pull up here, because yeah, Solana creates something like a double top, but I mean double bottom, which means that it's a reversal pattern, right? Whereby Solana is just going to surpass pump, right? Now let's calculate something. Let's say Solana move here, Solana come down here, come back and retest from the neck or the end, come back here. Here Solana is going to pull back again. Solana is going to come back to this place here. If Solana move back to $252, it's going to pull back from $252 back to $202, and then going back it will break. Now once Solana break here, guys, forget it. Solana is going to $500. All right. Once Solana break here, just know that Solana is going all the way to $500. Now let's just calculate the profit of using 185% to buy Solana. Now let's say you want to buy Solana now, you want to invest in one Solana now, you're gonna take $185. Now if Solana move here and enter $500, how much are you going to make? So you don't need to calculate much, just $500 minus current now. $186 is $186. How much profit will you be making? You'll be making profit of $314. If you buy Solana now and Solana move to $500, you'll be making $314 per one. But let's calculate that same thing on Solana on Dogecoin. Remember, $314 that we're going to be making on Solana. Now let's calculate that same thing on Dogecoin. And this is why I say Dogecoin is the best to invest in right now. So let's calculate that on Dogecoin. Dogecoin versus Solana. Let's calculate that same thing on Dogecoin. Now coming on Dogecoin here, guys, the all-time high of Dogecoin is what? The all-time high on Dogecoin is 100 and the all-time high on Dogecoin is 73 cents. Now let's do a fair analysis. The same thing we did on Solana, because we are here to learn, right? Now go back and change this from candlestick to line chart. Now if Dogecoin move from this place here, the first take profit is going to be at 0.46, and the second take profit is going to be at 0.5. That is half of Dogecoin entering $1. Now let me share something. If Dogecoin surpass here, it's going to enter $1. Now if Dogecoin surpass here and go back to all-time high, and remember Dogecoin also creates an imbalance here where it will come back and balance it up. And if you come back and balance it up, it's at 0.73. So if Solana break out here, if Dogecoin break out here, Dogecoin is coming straight to $101.02. $1.02. That is where Dogecoin is going to move. But let's just calculate that on just $1. But remember, if Solana drop, Dogecoin drop is going to be huge. It's going to be huge. The first analysis between Dogecoin and Solana. Remember, Dogecoin you are going to make profit of $97. But Solana you make profit of just $35. Now we are doing a very huge analysis, a deep analysis now. I said the all-time high of Dogecoin is 73 cents. Now, if Dogecoin surpass this, remember, if a coin puts an all-time high and the coin pull back, if the coin come back and break that all-time high, I want to move again, that coin is going to move X 100% of the previous all-time high. For some of us that understand crypto, you will agree with me on this. Do you understand? So Dogecoin, if Dogecoin move here, Dogecoin is going to create all-time high at $1.02 or $1.01, 10 cents. Right. So let's say you use $186 that you use to buy Solana. $186 divided by 0.236, you'll be having 788 Dogecoin. So let's say Dogecoin go back to the price of what? Let's say Dogecoin go back to the price of just $1, just $1, just $1, not $1.10, just $1. Let's say Dogecoin just touch of which is going to surpass that. If you calculate that, if it times that, that is $888. That's $888. Now minus your capital of 100 minus your capital of $186. So we are minusing this, minus $186. This is the profit we are going to be making. We are going to be making, the profit you make here is 100% of that of Solana. So do you see? Dogecoin is in a very good position for you to buy. Dogecoin is very good position because if you use $186 now to purchase Solana and Solana moves to $500, you are just going to be making profit of $300. But if you use that money and invest in Dogecoin and Dogecoin move to $1, just $1, of which Dogecoin is going to move more than $1, more than just $1, you are going to be in profit of $602. $602. So you see that Dogecoin is in a very good position to buy, right? Very good position to buy compared to Solana. You get what I'm saying? So that is it, guys. So I don't need to explain much. You guys, you need to already know what is there for you to do, right? What is there for you to do to get into Solana right now, right? To get into Solana right now. Hold on, guys. You need to tap. Do they do tap here? Did they do tap here on YouTube for people to join? Did they do tap here? Oh, guys, you can actually support. Hold on. So all the time, every day, we are going to be going live here on YouTube, guys. So anytime you are available, make sure you join us, right? Make sure you join us because we are always here giving you guys analysis, what is happening in the crypto space, right? So this live session is both on YouTube and also both on the firstly we start on BitGet, right, guys? So let me use this opportunity to introduce this event to you guys. BitGet is holding a sports trading club competition. It's just like a competition, and they have a reward of 50,000 BGB, which means if you join Bitcoin, if you join any coin and you trade on spot, you are going to be getting 50,000 BGB. You be among the people that will earn 50,000 BGB, and you know how much 50,000 BGB is right now. Right, so guys, let's go back to Doge. So we already do this analysis and we know which coin is going to be the best coin to invest in. That is Doge, right? Doge is the best coin to invest in. And currently, there's this coin that I want to get into. is pump, right? I really want to get into pump. Now let me show you guys something. After I buy Doge, there is another coin that I want to buy. Now look at my Doge right here. I already do analysis on Doge, and I see that Doge is going to do very, very well, right? As you can see, Doge retest on a week time frame. This is just a retest. Doge just come back and retest from the neck of the double bottom. Double bottom, right? Double bottom is a crazy reversal pattern that it's got to it's going to create miracle. Like it's going to create miracle. And you see the breakout has happened, and this is just a retest. Guys, I'm singing. If you have every, like anything you have, just take anything you have to buy Doge. Take anything you have. Take anything you have. Sell your car. Yeah, sell your car. Sell your please. I'm just joking, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm just joking, guys. I'm just joking. Please don't sell your car, but I'm just letting you know that Solana Dogecoin is a very good coin now to invest in. If you can invest in Dogecoin, you're not gonna regret. Yeah, I'm not advertising for Doge, but I'm just concerned about my followers making profit, right? I want my followers to really make profit. So that's the reason why I'm telling you this, that Dogecoin is going to do well. There is no best time to buy coin, to buy Doge than now. This is a breakout. Breakout has happened, and this is a pullback. What else do you want to see? Which sign again? Which sign again do you want to see before you start believing that a miracle is going to happen? A miracle is going to take place. Like which sign do you want to see again? I just top up my Doge this evening. I top up my Doge. My Doge. Hold on, guys. Let me show you guys something. I have a separate wallet. I have a separate BitGet account where I store Doge inside. Let me check my top up this night. And there's another coin I'm going to buy. This coin is crazy. This coin is crazy. Yeah, I've already top up my Doge. 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 Very top of my Doge. Oh yeah. Sorry. Very top of my Doge, and a small move, we are in profit already. Small move, just small move, you're gonna be in a profit, in a very good profit. So yeah. It's gonna be a sweet one. It's gonna be a sweet one and a good one. Right. So now there's another coin that I want to show you guys, and I'm going to buy that coin this night. Let me show you guys. Remember, I talked about this coin before. For those of you following me, you're gonna make cool profit. Look at what is happening here. Just look at. Just take a look at. Just take a look at. People may see that this coin is going to just flop, or just going to do bad. Like, people just think different things about this coin, but bro, like I'm telling you, this coin is going to do well. This coin is going to do well. Now let me tell you something. If you can move from this place to this place, a low, you X your money. You X your money. You X your money, right? And people think this coin is going to die. No, this coin is not gonna die. This coin is not gonna die. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna invest. I'm gonna buy more. This is the best time to buy. This is pump.fun, for crying out loud, right? So pump.fun is an exchange that is an exchange that's not gonna, it's not gonna drop. Like it's not gonna just drop down, like just die. It's not a project that will just die like that. No, I do not see pump.fun dying. I did not see pump.fun dying. The time I wanted to buy is even, I'm gonna buy more pump. I'm gonna buy more pump. Yeah. So guys, look at it. I just buy more pump now. You see, I just buy more pump. So I'm not just telling you I'm doing it, right? And I'm taking side. I'm not just telling you I'm taking side. So if pump move now, I know how much I'm going to make from it, right? So I'm buying more, buying the dip, buying more, buying the dip. I'm buying the dip. I'm really buying the dip, guys. I am really buying the dip, guys. So yeah, hold on, guys. Whoo. Okay, let me play music for you small. Let's go back to Doge and see what Doge is going to do. Oh. Best time to buy. No best time to buy than now. Hey, hey.
What's up?
Yeah?
Okay, I'm so sorry.
There's no best time to buy than now. I see.
Straight up, you can
Hmm?
YouTube style of
No, TikTok.
Should I do YouTube style?
No, TikTok.
Okay, TikTok. Sorry, no bet. I don't understand.
Just normal video, move around how I'm doing this. You can start from here. No best time to buy than now. See you again. I don't.
I want to show you.
No,
What
let me
you
go
do
and
now. If you don't go to the tell me I'm going
You clean it.
Should I hope this
And you
one?
not turn to 60. You turn to 60. If you don't do this, you turn to 40. It's on 30. Turn to 60. To be more clear.
Thank you.
Wait, hold on. Let me go back to this. Hey, you can do this. See you again. No, it's okay.
But should you can go live on TikTok now.
Alright?
Should I mute it?
Hey, you can stop that live.
I can stop it.
Yeah.